Hi everyone, and welcome back to your Phonics for Adults. This is Level 4, Lesson 8. Yeah, we are on the last lesson in Level 4, Lesson 8. That is amazing. Now today, we are going to learn two of the hardest sounds for many students to make in the English language. But you're smart and you will see how I do the sounds with my mouth. Are you ready? Let's get started. We're going to learn the sound TH at the beginning and the end. And then we will learn how to make the WH sound. Yeah. We are going to have a great lesson today. So let's get started with our first one. Now, TH sounds like, now watch. We put our tongue here. Okay? It's important. Your tongue is out. If it's not out, inside, it's a D sound. And you don't want that. So stick it out. Okay? Now, in the beginning, TH, the first TH, it'll go like this. The air is coming in that part of my tongue, out, okay? Through my teeth. One more time. You see that? That's pretty much it. Now, TH sounds like yeah. That's it. That is how you do this. Now, let's look at our first word and you'll see how that shape and that sound changes into a word. All right, the first one. This is a thumb. A thumb. This is a thumb. Thumb. Even me, I'm fluent in English. I am a native speaker. I still stick my tongue out a lot. It makes the sound clean, makes it very clear. Thumb. A thumb. Okay? Great. Let's learn our second one. See this? It's very thick. Thick. Very thick. Very thick. Like me. I'm very thick. Yeah, I'm very thick. But now our third one is this. I wish I was thin. Thin. I'm thick. And this is thin. Very small. Thin. See that? But all the air is in the middle. Like that. Right there. But no. Thick. Thin. Thumb. Okay, so TH in the beginning, it's easy, right? Students get it wrong because they don't want to stick out their tongue. Don't be shy. Everyone does it. It's English. Let's learn TH at the end of our word. Here we go. Now, it's a little different, but not much. It's softer. Okay? Before, in the beginning, it's a lot louder, right? It's a stronger sound. But at the end of the word, it's falling sound, like ah. It gets softer, right? The sound gets softer when it's at the end of a word. TH sounds like at the end of a word. Let's practice. Living in China and in Korea, I miss this. This is a bath. A bath. See? It's a bath. Yeah. This is a bath, an awesome bath, a relaxing bath. I love baths. Baths. It's hard when you have baths, plural, many. Baths. But it's okay. It takes practice. And lucky, you don't say that very often. But you do say bath. Bath. Great. Now I hate this. This is not my favorite subject. This is math. But soft. Math. Do you have homework? Yeah, math. Are you good at math? I'm terrible at math. I'm so bad at math. But I'm good at English. Yeah. This is math. I like science better. And our third one. These are teeth. Yeah. My teeth. But soft, right? I have many teeth. Yeah. I have lots of teeth. See how the TH at the end is soft? It falls in sound. So, we had bath, math, and teeth. Yeah, that's it. So, TH in the beginning, TH at the end, just softer. That's it. It's pretty easy. Don't be afraid to stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. It's okay. Now, WH. This is the last part. WH is important because you have to do the shape of your mouth first. So watch. Step 1. That's it. Step 2. WH sounds like w. But why? Many people say wa. The next letter after WH changes the sound. Okay? And we'll see that in these next words, right? But first, let's learn WH and then A. Okay? This is a, well, there's a horn out there. This is a whale. A whale. See that? My mouth changed. Way. Yeah. Whale. A whale. This is a whale. It's cool. Now, number 2, the E. Think about the E. What shape does the E make? E. E. So, wheel. This is a wheel. Still the same. Wheel. A wheel. Yeah. See that first one? Way. Now, wheel. Yeah. This is a wheel. A wheel. Now, number 3. This whoosh, is a whip. A whip. Whoosh. This is a whip. A whip. Yeah, whip. See that? It's not W-H, because it wouldn't work. Wa-ip. Strange. It's the third letter after W-H, and that letter changes the sound. The important part for W-H is this. And then W, W, W in the next letter. Okay? That shape, that W sound. Okay? That's it. I promise you. Let's look at the next one. What color is this? It's I. See the E? Long I. White. 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 Yeah. Every word starts the same, but the W changes. White. I. White. White. You're getting it. What was that? That was 4. Number 5. Yeah. Number 5. Oh, I have a secret. Whisper. Whisper. She's telling a secret. Whisper. 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 A whisper. Yeah, a whisper for secrets and to friends. And when you're in class, hey, what's the homework? When the teacher sees you and you get hit. And number 6, we're gonna make food, like pancakes or cake. This is a whisk. Whisk. A whisk. Yeah. This is a whisk. To mix up your batter. A whisk. Let's review these sounds so that you can hear them faster and see how they work together. Let's start with TH in the beginning. Thumb. Thumb. Thick. 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 Thin. 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 Now at the end, we had bath. 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 We had math. 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 Then we had teeth. 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 See? First one is a strong TH. And at the end, it's a soft falling. Then we had WH. Woo. That's what it is. We had whale, whale, wheel, wheel, whip, whip, whip. We had white, white. Then we had whisper, 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 shh, horns. Whisper and, mixing our cake, whisk, whisk, whisk. Great! You have just finished lesson number 8. Next, we will have lesson 8 story, where we will read lots of WH and TH sound words. And then we start level 5, the last level of phonics. You're amazing. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.